Hello traders, now you have clicked the video, give me your 7 minutes, I'll make your chart reading addiction slightly more profitable for tomorrow with this market analysis. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty are in sideways market, but let me assure you there is a 80% probability in the next couple of days both Nifty and Bank Nifty might have to come down again. Here is the solid reason why markets needs to come down. Before we go any further, take a moment to explore more of our order flow content on the home page. Coming to our analysis at hand, the main reason why markets need to come down is the market profile 80% rule. As per this rule, once two time periods or two 30-minute candles spends within previous value area, like it happened in Nifty, like it also happened in Bank Nifty, there is a 80% probability it will cover the whole value area, most often on the same day, but rarely you will see that happening in the next couple of days, generally 3 to 5 days. Now breaking down our analysis further, let's take Nifty. Today Nifty has opened inside the value area, but then it started going up, and somewhere in the C and D period there is a failed auction. Prices came back and got accepted inside Friday's value area. But then why the prices have not covered the entire value area? The answer lies in order flow. So if you look at here, as the price is going up in the morning, Nifty first 30 minutes has formed strong volume clusters at the lower levels. If you observe here at the exact point, somewhere in the pullback at 11:45, prices got rejected. So this is the reason why it couldn't able to go further. So now I said prices will likely cover the whole value area, but what if there is going to be a gap up or gap down tomorrow? So a gap down or gap down tomorrow, it is going to be a little bit trickier, but here is the ideal way to trade those gap ups or gap down. Today there is a strong value. So this strong value, this narrow value indicates that prices are going to be volatile in the next couple of days, most probably tomorrow itself. So this, and at the same time, if you see here the PPOC, it's a very strong PPOC, and when you see this PPOC itself is inside the Friday's value area. So it has to come down, but there is a chance if at all global markets are totally negative, there might be a strong gap down. If you are carrying hedged shorts, that is going to be better, but if at all tomorrow there is going to be a gap down around Friday's close, that will be a little bit trickier. So in that case, wait for some time and look for a rejection around buying tail. 28th April, there is a buying tail around this. So these buying tails, they act as good support area, and try to take out the breakouts of first 30 minutes or 1 hour upside, because today's value is so strong, it will attract the prices. So try to trade towards this, and there is a possibility if prices gets accepted inside today's value area, it will go for this POC value area high and the poor high at 24,635. What if there is going to be a gap up tomorrow, a moderate gap up somewhere inside Friday's range, then don't even think about taking longs initially, mainly in the first 1 hour. So if at all there is going to be a breakout downside of first 30 minutes and confirm it with the first 1 hour breakdown, try to take a trade towards today's POC at 24,560, 550 levels, and then value area low, and then likely it will cover the whole value area. If at all there is going to be a flat opening, again, as I said, that is a little bit trickier. There is a possibility prices will first clear this poor high structure, and then prices will likely come down again. For any kind of long opportunities, guys, either there has to be a gap down and first 30 minutes breakout has to be there, or else if at all there is going to be a gap up, prices needs to sustain about 24,750 levels for at least 2 to 3 hours. At the same time, let me also remind you guys, there are good amount of gaps in order flow Nifty from last Monday. So these gaps all the way down to this area 24,140, there are gaps. So if at all prices gets accepted inside this supply, if you look at here, there is a strong selling here. So acceptance is, if the price sustains, let's say for 30 minutes or 1 hour below 24,200 levels, then good possibility it will cover all these gaps, and then likely it will cover the whole value area. As I said, 80% rule again comes into play. This is with Nifty for tomorrow or for this expiry, guys. And coming to Bank Nifty has opened inside Friday's value area, and then it covered the entire post afternoon balance and then got accepted inside 25th April value area. Not only this, it also got accepted inside Friday's value area. So this is going to be a little bit trickier, guys. So you need to be waiting tomorrow. So like I said, if at all there is going to be a gap up, again wait for some time, because Bank Nifty itself is still within the multi-day balance. So any acceptance on the lower side of this balance, likely prices will go up to this level, and if at all prices gets accepted below today's low, then Bank Nifty will go and cover the entire value area towards 54,560 levels. If at all there is going to be a gap down, again watch for acceptance below 54,330 levels. Unless that happens, buyers might come in and it might take a support around this buying excess and prices might turn around. Any acceptance inside 17th April value area, there is a high possibility it will go for this first blue band, and if sellers come in again here, it will go for this 52nd blue band and third blue band at the lowest level. If at all there is going to be a gap up, again watch for how the price reacts. So for any kind of confident longs, guys, unless Bank Nifty sustains above 56,200 levels for 2 to 3 hours, don't be in the longs. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. I hope I have added some value. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification for more trading content. Until our next video, have a nice day.